For the following areas, in Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex, and northern New London. And the following areas, in New York: Putnam, northern Westchester, southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Queens, northern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk, and southeast Suffolk. High wind warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Winds, northwest 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour. Timing: the strongest winds will be through late afternoon. Impacts: strong winds may blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.
May blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected.
Here is the latest weather map discussion. Low pressure will continue to rapidly intensify off the New England coast today. High pressure will also begin building in from the west. This will set up a windy day across the tri-state with winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour at times. This may result in some downed trees, power lines, and scattered power outages. Partly to mostly cloudy skies are forecast, with high temperatures near seasonal normals. Winds will gradually diminish tonight as high pressure settles over the region. Mostly clear skies are forecast, with low temperatures ranging from the teens inland to the 20s near the coast. High pressure remains in control on Tuesday, with temperatures running a few degrees below normal. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. This afternoon, mostly sunny and windy. Highs in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly clear. Breezy with lows in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour, diminishing to 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour after midnight. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.